In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Bluetooth headphones not working in Discord Mobile. First, we'll make sure your phone is actually connected to your Bluetooth headphones because Discord relies on that system connection. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings and find your headphones in the device list. Tap them to connect and wait for the status to show that they're connected. On many phones, you'll see a small connected label or an icon indicating it's connected for calls and audio. Keep the headphones nearby so the connection stays strong and make sure they have enough battery to maintain a stable link. It also helps to raise your phone's volume, and if your headphones have their own volume controls, bring those up as well so you're not troubleshooting a muted device. If the headphones briefly connect and then drop, give them a second to settle and watch for the connection to remain steady. Once the Bluetooth link is solid, open Discord on your phone and go into user settings by tapping your profile icon. From there, go to the voice section. This is where Discord controls how it sends and receives audio. Find the volume slider and start adjusting it slowly. As you move the slider, listen for your headphones to respond. You should hear clearer, louder audio routed through the headphones when the connection and volume are correct. Take a moment to confirm that the audio you do hear is coming from the headphones and not from the phone's speakers. If it still sounds low, continue to inch the slider up until it's at a comfortable level. Remember, your phone's system volume and the in-app volume both matter, so the combination needs to be high enough for you to hear clearly without distortion. If your connection is good and your volume is properly set, the next thing to check in the same voice settings screen is advanced voice activity. Open that option and enable it. This feature helps Discord better detect your voice input and can reduce the chance that the app misunderstands what device you're using for calls. Turning it on often improves how consistently your microphone and audio routing behave with Bluetooth, especially on mobile where background noise and system changes can confuse the app. After enabling it, give Discord a moment to apply the change, then speak normally and listen through your headphones to confirm everything sounds right. That's it. By confirming the Bluetooth connection in your phone settings, adjusting volume inside Discord's voice settings, and enabling advanced voice activity, your Bluetooth headphones should work properly in Discord Mobile.